simplify your life. Chastity and simplicity are the two bodies with which man soars above the earth and all temporary nature. Thomas à Kempis. Simplifying your life will bring balance, freedom, and joy. When we begin to live simply and witness these benefits, we begin to ask the coming question: where differently in my life can I remove distraction and simplify life to concentrate on the rudiments? Once we are suitable to answer that, we will understand what's important in our own lives. How to simplify your life, grounded on our particular trip, our exchanges, and our compliances. Then's a list of the 18 most important effects to simplifying your life moment to begin living a more balanced, joyous life. But before starting, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload a video. Also watch this video till end, because you will gather a lot of information on how to simplify your life, and we're sure that this video is going to help you a lot in balancing your life. Also, do not forget to share this video with a friend in need. If they really need to simplify their life, share this video by helping them, and they will definitely appreciate it. 1. Your effects. Too numerous material effects complicate our lives to a lesser degree than we ever give them credit. They drain our bank account, our energy, and our attention. They keep us from the bones we love and from living a life grounded on our values. Still, you'll know a lemonade if you'll invest the time to declutter the unnecessary effects from your life. 2. Your time commitments. Most of us have filled our days sharp from beginning to end with time commitments: work, home, Spratz conditioning, community events, religious trials, pursuits. The list goes on. When possible, release yourself from the time commitments that aren't in line with your topmost values. 3. Your pretensions. Reduce the number of pretensions you're seeking for in your life to 1 or 2. By reducing the number of pretensions that you're seeking to negotiate, you will ameliorate your focus and your success rate. Make a list of the effects that you want to negotiate in your life and choose the 3 most important. Focus there. 4. Your negative studies. Most negative feelings are fully useless. Resentment, bitterness, hate, and covetousness have no way bettered the quality of life for a single human being. Take responsibility for your mind. Forgive once hurts and replace negative studies with positive bones. 5. Your debt. If debt is holding you in turn, reduce it. Start moment. Do what you have got to do to get out from under its weight. Find the help that you need and learn how to get out of debt. Immolation luxury moment to enjoy freedom hereafter. 6. Your words. Use smaller words. Keep your speech plain and honest. Mean what you say. Avoid gossip. 7. Your artificial constituents. Avoid trans fats, refined grain, white chuck, high fructose sludge saccharinity, and 2 important sodium. Minimizing these constituents will ameliorate your energy position in the short term and your health in the long term. Also, as much as possible, reduce your consumption of untoward drug. Allow your body to heal itself naturally, as opposed to erecting a reliance on substances. 8. Your screen time. Fastening your attention on TV, pictures, videotape games, and technology dependence affects your life further than you suppose. Media rearranges your values. It begins to dominate your life, and it has a profound impact on your station and outlook. Unfortunately, when you live in that world on a harmonious base, you do indeed notice how it's impacting you. The only way to completely appreciate its influence in your life is to turn them off. 9. Your connections to the world. Connections with others are good, but constant aqueducts of distraction are bad. Learn when to power off the phone, log off social media, or not read a textbook. Focus on the important, not the critical. A steady inflow of distractions from other people may make us feel important, demanded, or wanted. But feeling important and negotiating significance are fully different effects. If you stay till here, I hope you guys are actually enjoying this video. And if you were, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload a video. Also, do not forget to leave a comment down below. What are the ways that you guys follow to simplify your life? And how this video is helping you. Also, do not skip this video watch till end, because moving further in this video, you will gain a lot of information and you will learn a lot new things about simplifying your life. Also, do not forget to share this video with a friend in need. If you think that they really need to simplify and make their life a balanced one, share this video with them and help them and let them know that you care. We're sure that they will definitely appreciate it. 10. You're multitasking. Exploration indicates that multitasking increases stress and lowers productivity, while single tasking is getting a misplaced art. Learn it. Handle one task at a time. Do it well, and when it's complete, move to the coming. 11. Simplify your refections. Once a week, take a look at your timetable so you know what's passing for the following week. Make a simple mess plan grounded on that, including breakfasts, lunches, and feasts for everyone in the family. Decide which refections you are going to cook. Write a shopping list for what you need and take it with you to the shops or order online for home delivery at a time that's accessible to you. 12. Simplify your clothes. Every day we make thousands of opinions, big and little. One of the first of these opinions is deciding what to wear each morning. Make it hastily and lightly to choose your clothes and be comfortable and confident in what you are wearing by purifying your closet and decluttering your clothes. For little tips on clearing out your closet, loving your clothes, and chancing a style that suits you. 13. Shopping ban. Take a shopping ban challenge and limit yourself to only buying the absolute must for a period of time. You could do it for as long as a time like one woman did, or indeed, just a week or two to dip your toes into your world of consuming lower. 14. Own the morning. Mark Twain formerly said, "Eat a live frog first thing in the morning, and nothing worse will be to you the rest of the day." In other words, by starting the morning with your most delicate task, everything differently should feel easier. 15. Clean out your fridge and freezer. Choosing the simplest, healthiest refections starts with a fridge and freezer you can fluently navigate if you need a little alleviation. 16. Reduce. Perhaps in order to simplify, you just need lower all around, a lower auto, a lower house, smaller credit cards, whatever you have in redundant. Consider reducing. They're so important. Beauty set up in simple spaces. 17. Cut out poisonous people. Whether you have a friend who finds a problem for every result or a kinsman who calls every day to complain about how illegal the world is, negative people can take up a lot of space in your life. While you should not cut people out of your life just because they are going through hard times, setting healthy boundaries is important. Indeed, if you do not spend important time together physically, the time you might invest into dreading a visit, combined with the time it takes to calm down after the visit, can take a risk. Occasionally, the kindest thing you can do for yourself and for someone differently is to say no or ramify ties altogether. Cutting out poisonous people frees up space for those who count most in your life. 18. Take charge of your plutocrat. It does not count how important plutocrat you have. However, plutocrat will enthrall to important space in your life. If you are not taking control of your fiscal situation, commit to taking charge of your plutocrat. Produce a budget and establish clear pretensions, and your fiscal opinions will come important simpler. You will spend lower time, trouble, and energy allowing about plutocrat once you've taken control of your income. There is a sense of peace that comes with fiscal freedom. I hope this list gives you some ideas and tips to start simplifying your home and your life moment. Simplifying can help reduce passions of stress or overwhelm in your life, giving you further time, space, and freedom to enjoy your life more and concentrate on what matters most to you. If you ever feel that things are going wired and you are not where you are supposed to be in your life is becoming chaotic, then this doesn't mean that there is something wrong with you. There are things that we cannot control, and it is absolutely okay to be where you are. So this is all for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as we upload a video. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We really appreciate your efforts, and we love to hear from you guys. And we read all of your comments, so thank you so much for engaging with our videos. Also, do not forget to share this video with a friend in need if they really need to simplify their life. Helps them sending this video, and we're sure they will appreciate it. So this is all, and we will see you in next one.